I use flash to freeze movement in a different way. So let me show you these pictures here. And again, you don't have to like the picture. Just if you don't like the picture, that's fine. Just take it for what it is and focus on the technique. Look at the settings on that image there. Shutter speed 1/8 of a second, f4 4.5, ISO 1250. Look at the shutter speed 1/8 of a second. That is pretty slow. Any picture you're gonna take by hand with a 1/8 of a second with no flash, it's gonna be blurry, right? So think about it. The normal regular shutter speed that I shoot is at 1/200 of a second. We are at 1/8 of a second. But look at the light strikes behind her, right? That's caused by me moving the camera when I shoot. That's what it does. That's what it's called that. So if you look at those light strikes, what happens here, I'm shooting, right? I'm focusing, I have my light diode, and I'm focusing, right? So he comes, I push the button and I go like this, just a little bit, push the button, like this. That's what creates the light strikes behind her. But see how sharp she is. She is totally sharp. Again, she's dancing. I'm shooting at 1/8 of a second, f4.5, and she's sharp.